Hello everyone, how are you today? Hope you enjoyed our last week lesson on elements of design. Can you still remember what the elements of designs are? We said they are lines, colors, space, textures, and shapes. We also went further to discuss types of lines, and I hope you also learned them and will always remember them, because you will regularly need them, not only in pattern design but also in other areas. This is week 2 and it's lesson 1. So we are on colors, another aspect of the elements of design. But these colors, for now we are talking about the primary colors. The primary colors. What are primary colors? How can we get them? And why are they called primary colors? Before you get answers to these questions, let us discuss the objectives of the lesson. The objectives of the lesson. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain what primary colors are, why they are called primary colors, and you should be able to identify and color with primary colors. So, primary colors, what are they? They are red, yellow, and blue. Colors from which all other colors can be blended. And what does that mean? That they are red, yellow, blue colors from which all other colors can be blended. What does it mean to be blended? That is to say, from which all other color can be mixed. To blend, therefore, means to mix together. So from these primary colors, we can get all other colors. But what about the primary colors themselves? There are no other colors that can come together to mix them. There are no other colors that can mix together to obtain or get these primary colors. They are either gotten from nature or the manufacturers make them by themselves from chemicals. That is why they are called primary colors. You cannot get them by mixing all other colors except from nature, either from leaves or from clay or from the earth or from chemicals. Now that you know this, always remember that primary colors are called primary colors because no other color can be mixed to get them, can be blended to get them. Now, these are the primary colors. Can you identify them? Would you be able to point out the blue color? Fine. What about the red color? Can you point it out? You're doing very well. What is the name of the other color that you have not pointed at. Did I hear you say yellow? Excellent. You have done very well. Now you can identify them. You should be able to identify them anywhere, anytime. This picture you're seeing on your screen is called the color wheel. You can see that it's like a wheel. And you are going to see how this can be made from an illustration or a demonstration in our next slide. Now you are saying and hearing on the demonstration what the primary colors are on the color wheel. The materials, the wax crayon, the poster colors, and you see how this will be done. You get a round edge object such as a cup or a bowl. You place it on a paper as has been done and demonstrated, and then you get your Y after drawing the circle inside the circle. Start from any of the colors. It could be red, it could be yellow, it could be blue. You are creating the color wheel using the wax crayon media. You can also use poster colors. At that time, you'll be applying the colors that you have already mixed with brush on paper. But now this is wax crayon that is being used. And when you are coloring, ensure you color within the line, not outside the line. Because the more you do this, the neater it looks, the better for you, and more grace you will have. And I want you to be excellent always. So you will be able to do that. As you have seen, you can use a rounded edge object such as a bowl or a cup. So you should be able to do this. And that is the color wheel. And you should be able to repeat what you have just seen, or even do it better. That would be lovely, my darlings, my wonderful ones, my ever-ready children. I know you'll be able to do this. Now it's time for our assignment. Get your materials ready. You could get an A4 paper or a cardboard, a piece of cardboard cut into an A4 size, or whatever size you may like. Then the question A says, what are the primary colors? You are going to write them out. What are the primary colors? B, get a round edge object such as a cup or a bowl. Trace 3 circles with the mouse on the piece of an A4 or any other paper. Then color on each circle the respective primary colors. Color on each circle the respective primary color. And C, do not forget to write your name and date on your work. Keep them very neatly. D, when you get to school, you submit after resumption. Thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson today. See you next time. Bye.